Hello and welcome. Have you been having some concerns about what will happen during the winter as far as getting colds? Maybe you're concerned about the flu or getting COVID-19 as we re-enter places like schools and return to full work capacity. I've been thinking about those things. I'm Dr. Hamilton-Stubbs. I'm a double board certified sleep specialist and a certified nutrition specialist. During the pandemic, I have been producing COVID awareness literature and programs and town halls. And so I've been following this since the beginning of the pandemic in March of 2020, when the United States was included. Having a pandemic has been an opportunity for me to expand some things that I do, and one of them is online teaching. I'm a double board certified sleep specialist, so most of my time and my learning and teachings have been related to sleep and sleep disorders until the pandemic when I started to look at COVID. I've also decided during the pandemic to focus on the other part of our practice, the wellness side. Our practice has been sleep and total wellness for many years, and I've practiced integrative sleep medicine. So, one of the things that I like teaching people is how to get healthier by doing simple things, simple lifestyle changes, and affordable dietary changes. Many people, myself included, use vitamins and supplements. And I'm not saying don't use those. I think there is a place for vitamins and supplements. However, I think we can do some things with food to maximize our health, and then the vitamins and supplements will be in addition. The vitamin I'm talking about today and the food I'm going to talk about is vitamin C and oranges. So here's an orange, and I want to invite you now. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you do. And if I say something you like during this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share. So this is a navel orange, and there's 10 types of oranges, and probably even more if we look at the citrus family, and then just the oranges within that. I like to eat these oranges, tangerines, mandarins, cuties, you name it. I probably like to eat it because oranges to me are delicious, but I didn't realize how healthy they are. And I don't recall these being on the list of superfoods, but I put this on my list of superfoods, and it's going higher and higher toward the top because it's more affordable. And what good is a list of foods that you can't afford to eat? Now, in the wintertime, oranges and the whole family of oranges are in season in the US, so that means lower prices for most of us. Now is a good time for you to join the 30-day Orange Challenge. Why not? It's free. And I'm going to be teaching you during that challenge a lot of tips and things that I've learned and continue to learn about the health benefits of oranges. But when you eat an orange every day, you're going to end up with a lot of peelings. You don't have to throw these away, even if they're not organically grown. Organic is the best, but organic is out of the reach for some of us. They're not in our neighborhood, or they're more expensive. We can't afford that. So buy what you can afford and what's available to you. If it's a conventional orange, you can do some things to get off extra amounts of that pesticide. One of them is just running your fruit, running water over your fruit, and then soaking it in a solution of baking soda and water. And I usually just pour it in. I fill up a large mixing bowl with water, and then I put in about a fourth cup of baking soda and drop my fruit in there, submerge it, and let it sit for at least 15, 20 minutes. I don't do that with berries, but it works very well with oranges. And once you clean the orange peeling, I think it's safe enough, at least for me, to consume because the orange is edible all the way from the outside to the inside. And I've been meaning to check what can we do with those seeds. So what I have found is You can cut this off any kind of way. You can try to peel it off, but then you get a lot of the pith. That's the bitter part that's underneath here. I'll show you on some that I've already peeled. So here's the orange peeling, and here's the pith. The pith is bitter, but it's loaded with nutrition if you want to try and eat it. You can take a spoon and just scrape this out, and then you'll have more of the orange zest. So when you want to get this peel off, the way I found the easiest way is to just use a vegetable peeler. The same one that you use to peel a potato can be used to peel this orange. Then you'll get lots of little peelings, and I like to dehydrate mine. I'm going to see, can I show these to you? May not be able to. Let's see, can I tip this up? Okay, you can kind of see those orange peelings. These have been in the oven and warm. I have an oven that allows me to dehydrate, but I also have a dehydrator. I just found the oven is a little bit quicker. And what you'll see is my lemon balm and some nutmeg. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make a orange spice sleep tea. That's just one of the many recipes I'm going to share with you when you join the 30-day orange challenge. And I'm going to leave the link below to make it easy for you. However, if that link doesn't work, go to my website and check out the blog. You'll see a picture, and you can join, or you can go to drhamiltonstubbs.com/shop and go to the site where you'll see the picture of an orange, and it says free 30-day orange challenge. So that website address, the full address is https://shop shop Hamilton-Stubbs, and the doctor's abbreviated DR, drhamiltonstubbs.com/shop. That should take you there. If not, just try Dr. Hamilton Stubbs and you'll get there, and then just go under shop. Sign up because seating is limited. And what we're going to be doing is you have to register so you can get the link. We'll have once a week a live session with yours truly talking about tips and facts on oranges, but also getting some feedback from you. How well are you doing? And what are you doing? Have you found a really good recipe that you want to share? And you'll want to participate because we're going to have a contest, and the winner is going to get an admission to one of my sugar reset classes. And the one that I'm going to be offering is selling for $900 and more. So I'm going to be giving that away to you because I want you to get healthy. And the other thing that's going to be included will be emails with informational tips. You're going to get a chance to share with others and get some support. So when you do the orange challenge, you'll be able to join it with someone else so you can challenge each other. And we'll also see who in our group was able to do 30 days of eating 1 or 2 oranges a day. That's it. It has to be a whole orange. And you can put that in recipes, in salads, but you can't drink orange juice. We're doing oranges, real fruit, not processed food. Why is this important? Oranges are full of vitamin C. They have 83 milligrams and is bioaccessible. We are a nation in America where 42% of us have a low vitamin C level. That's right. We don't get enough foods with vitamin C to get us to what the government says is the minimum amount of vitamin C we need in our system to help us fight off infection and the other things that vitamin C does. One of those is free radical scavengers. We have a lot of metabolic processes going on in our bodies throughout the day and the night. And those processes give byproducts called free radicals. Free radicals are unstable atoms, and they go up throughout our body and attach onto cells, causing us to have chronic illnesses like diabetes, cardiovascular disease, heart disease, strokes, kidney disease, even cancer. So oranges have been shown to help us have a lower risk of cancer. In fact, researchers found that people who eat oranges regularly are 10% less likely to develop cancers like breast cancer. Oranges also help with the absorption of iron, and we need iron to not only have strong strength, strong muscles like Popeye, the sailor. Well, we need to have our iron to carry oxygen. Your red blood cells won't work as well if you have iron deficiency anemia. And you can take iron supplements, but without a little acid like vitamin C, it's not going to be absorbed very efficiently from the body. And iron deficiency anemia can also cause sleep disturbances and be a cause for insomnia. The other thing you get from an orange that you don't get from a vitamin supplement is the antioxidants called flavonoids, and carotenoids. That's just two of the phytochemicals that are known to be in here, plus some minerals that you're not going to get in a vitamin. So a lot of people say, I don't think I need to eat oranges because I'm taking a vitamin C pill every day. Some people say, I take 1,000 milligrams. Well, if you are, you're probably not getting a good return on your investment because the body can only absorb so much so much vitamin C at one time. And the maximum limit, according to my research, that we should be ingesting is about 500 milligrams. So if you haven't signed up for this channel, I hope you'll subscribe, hit notifications so you'll know when I make my next video. And I'm going to put the link below. I hope you'll join me for the orange challenge. We'll have some fun, we'll eat some oranges, and we'll share recipes on how to eat the inside and the outside and just get healthier, one orange at a time.